Hey, Manifester. I'm Jaclyn Johnston, the creator of Manifest It and the author of the best-selling books, Don't Feel Stuck. Do you want to know how to manifest faster? Join us because we're about to tell you just how we like to do it.
Move with the rhythm, shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Anything is possible when you have the right people there to support you. Misty Copeland. Today's episode is about how to manifest your ideal friendships. While it is true we don't have any control who our family members are, we do, however, have control over who we want as our friends in life. It's easy to get distracted by all the things going on around us each day, so much that we may begin to unintentionally tune out of our soul's wants and needs with regards to our support system. I've had a few beautiful souls recently ask me how to manifest beneficial friendships with ease, and I have a few tips for you to consciously create your friendship blueprint. Number 1, think about long-term goals in friendship. You want souls who are going to be positive and supportive of your life and business aspirations. When you are getting to know other souls, how do they respond to you when you talk about your long-term ideas, even if you talk about them on a surface-based level? Ask yourself by journaling out your answer to the following question. What kind of response do I want from souls about my life's goals and desires? This will give you a better gauge on what level of friendship to have with other souls. It doesn't mean you have to cut off others altogether if they don't share your desires. They may just have different business and life aspirations. But it will give you a better understanding of the levels of friendships and who you want to be closer with and others you may have a more acquaintance friendship with in order to stay true to your soul's manifesting energy. Number 2, commit to your long-term goals and desires. In order to manifest your ideal friendships, make a long-term commitment to your long-term goals and desires. This means no wavering, no settling, no, well, for now, no. You're saying yes to your desires, right? You want your desires to come into your physical realm with ease and quickly, yeah? This means you have to commit to them by keeping anything negative away from you, including the energy of negative souls. Your desires are manifesting, but if you wobble, waver, settle, and anything else that is mediocre, your desires will stay at arm's length. When you evaluate other souls, quote, try them on for a friendship. Ask yourself the following when evaluating your friendships. Better yet, answer them through your mindset journaling. Do they share a similar outlook on life in general as I do? Do we share any life trajectories, passions, goals, etc.? How do they generally view obtaining life goals and desires? When there are misunderstandings between us, how do they approach overcoming them? Do I feel safe with them in that I can be 100% me and they accept me for who I am? Let's say it's time to buy a new mattress. You go to the store and lay on a few of them to try them out. Would you invest in a mattress that is uncomfortable for refilling your energy level each night? I doubt it. You know, there are other mattress brands, other mattress stores, even other retailers who carry mattresses as well as carrying other products, both in-store and online. You know you have options. I want you to view your friendships in the same way. Invest in the ones that are worth investing because your friendships feel good. This is your life, your emotional well-being, your positive support system. And when I say, quote, positive, I mean you definitely want to audition your friendships because you want and you need a positive support system in your life in order to manifest anything with ease. It's not enough just to exist in life and with friendships. You're worthy of thriving. Furthermore, it's your overall vibrational energy that the universe is reflecting to you. So evaluate your friendships and remember that friendship is a two-way energy exchange. You're not going to invest in an uncomfortable mattress, so don't invest in an uncomfortable friendship. Energy is everywhere and makes up everything from the gasoline that goes into your car to the mattress you sleep on and to what makes up the existence of your friendship. You always get a choice with friendships. Number 3, allow for change with your friendships. The most important relationship you'll ever have is with yourself, first and foremost. As you travel on your soul's path, manifesting all your business and life desires, change happens. Change is the only constant in our universe. So approach changing friendships with a positive outlook. It can be hard to lose friends. I've certainly ended friendships with people I trusted. And yes, it was hard. But in the long term, I'm so glad I did it because I wouldn't be who I am today if I kept their energy in my life. Therefore, you have to be willing to go with the flow. Allow for change to happen instead of trying to force everything around you, including the outcome of your friendships. Trust that by following your soul's calling in life, you'll meet the kind of people who have similar traits, similar passions, and similar outlook on life as you. It's not an audition solely for you to go and see if you get the part. It's an audition for them as well, and you get to decide if they get to be your friend. Life is always changing, so relax and trust the ones who are meant to be in your life will be in your life, and it won't have to be such a struggle to keep them around. I urge you to finish this sentence at least 5 times by journaling out. In friendships, I am no longer available for ... I now allow myself to embrace change with regards to friendships because I am committed to living my life with ... Just like you would with building your dream house, you have your blueprint in place for your ideal friendships. Be mindful and aware of how you respond to people and whether or not you are settling in your responses. In addition, be aware of how others interact with you because friendship is one of life's many blessings. It's a relationship that thrives with trust and laughter. So enjoy the energy around you that is your support system. If you're not enjoying it, then it's time to move on and trust that your ideal friendships are manifesting. Because they are manifesting. I believe in you. Now it's time to believe in yourself and in your friendships too. So, are you ready to manifest even faster? Go to your country's Amazon website and type in "don't feel stuck." Seriously, your soul will thank you. See you next time, manifestors.
Move with the rhythm, shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.